think I need to do an intro for this video because you guys already know what's up just by the title. You guys, this may be my biggest Sephora haul to date on this channel. Let me just show you, okay? So, I went to Sephora this morning because for whatever reason my Sephora runs out of everything and I was not going to let everything I wanted in my cart get away from me. I wanted it today, so I went. You guys, are you kidding? Two bags. The girl was bagging my stuff and she was like, I think you're gonna need another bag. And I was like, I think you're right. So there is a lot of stuff in here. It's mostly skincare. I didn't really need too much makeup. Anything that I got that was makeup was like trying or restocking, nothing really crazy. But anyways, this is gonna be a long video and I want to get through this 1, 2, 3. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this massive Sephora haul. I kind of want to say that I'm embarrassed by all the stuff that I bought, but I'm not. Like, this is who I am who I am, and that's it, right? Okay, so I'm going to start with one bag. I'm going to go bag by bag. Okay, so I'm going to try to get it out of the camera's view. All right, so the first thing that I picked up, like I said, it is a lot of skincare, so just be prepared for that. This is a kit from Summer Fridays. I really want to get like a good gel moisturizer. I've been following this makeup artist on TikTok and she swears by gel moisturizers underneath your makeup. So I'm trying a ton of different moisturizers lately and this was a little duo that Summer Fridays came out. I mainly bought it for the gel moisturizer, but in here you get the jet lag mask, which everybody loves, and then you get like a little scrunchie. So for $30 with 20% off, I was like, why not? I'm gonna disclaim right now that I'm justifying buying everything in here because it was 20% off. There's some things that I just tried because I just did a full like 4 or 5 TikToks, and some things I am returning, some things I haven't really got to yet. So I will explain as we go, okay? I'm sorry if that statement was a little confusing, but anyways, all right, up next is another moisturizer. I didn't mean to buy the full size of this. I really didn't mean to, but I just did. This is from Fenty Skin. I have never tried anything from Fenty, but my good friend Alexa swears by Fenty. It's literally all she uses. So I had to buy this, and I bought it because it has SPF 30 in it. This is their Hydra Vizor. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, let me show you guys. By the way, I am freaking starving. I have been sitting in my room for like 3 hours, and all I've ate today is a bagel. And my boyfriend should be home from work pretty soon, so hopefully we can get dinner. Oh, okay, so it's a little like review. Oh, I go from talking about dinner to talking about this. Wow, really, I'm so hungry. You guys don't even understand. But I guess you kind of do one of these things with it. Oh, okay, cute. I am very excited for this. Like I said, I really only bought it because it has SPF in it, so I am very excited for that. I'm going to put all the stuff that I've already talked about behind me, so I apologize if it gets like a little crowded back there. Okay, up next is from Youth to the People. This is their Superberry Dream Cleansing Balm, and honestly, you guys, I don't really have an explanation for anything that I bought in here. I just kind of was like, you know what, I want to try new things. This is my chance. So I bought this. The reviews on Sephora's website were really good, and I do need a new cleansing balm. Okay, I like its glass, very sturdy. Let me smell. Ugh, let me smell it because it says Superberry Dream. I don't really smell any berry. But, I mean, I'm very excited to try this. I also want you guys to let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. Let me know in the comments and let me know all of your thoughts. Okay, so up next, this one may be going back because this is a purchase that I've returned, but I have repurchased it because I have bought into the hype of it when I just need to accept that when I don't like something, I don't like something. It doesn't matter what everybody else thinks. This is the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. Now, everybody swears by this powder. I've tried it once and I hated it, and I tried it today and it kind of separated my concealer, and I know for a fact it wasn't the concealer because it was my tried and true Too Faced Born This Way concealer that never separates on me. So I'm putting my money on it being the powder. So I'm gonna give it one more shot, and if it disappoints me again, it is going back. I have no shame in my game, you guys. If I don't like something, I'm returning it. Like, I do not care. I'm not just going to sit here and waste my money. If I don't like something, it's going back. that's it. Okay, so up next, what is it? Oh, okay, this is a restock. This is a restock on my tried and true Glow Recipe 90 Dewdrops. You guys, I have gone through like 4 bottles of these. I love this. I use it every single day. Can't live without them. So then I repurchased the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I love this palette, you guys. This palette is the only palette that I use when I'm getting ready. It is like my night out, like going to a special occasion, like this is the palette I'm using. And when I got it a few years ago during the Sephora VIB sale in 2020, within the few days of me buying it, it fell and it cracked, and it has just gotten worse over, oh my God, I forgot what this looks like when you first open it, you guys. This palette is me. Like, this needs to be named the Danielle Blends Glam palette, because this is my palette of like my dreams. I am a cool tone girl. I know that I'm wearing warm tones right now, but I am a cool toned queen, and this palette just like does something to me, okay? I love this palette, and like I said, I'm actually gonna grab mine so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. 1 second. Okay, so literally this is mine, okay? It is so destroyed, you guys. Honestly, it's not that bad, but I really just wanted a new one because just look at this. Look at how much more pleasant and less dizzy it is to look at the new one versus mine. And these are actually in the correct order. When mine fell all out of like their little components, so I had to just put them back wherever they go. And even though I don't use palettes in the way that they're supposed to be used, but I like that it says, like for example, this one says center eyelid, so you put that on the center of your eyelid. This one says inner corner, so you put that in your inner corner. So I kind of like it as like a little guide, even though I don't necessarily follow it, but I'm crazy, okay? So let me just start by saying I am a absolute lunatic, and things that I do, I really question myself sometimes because they don't always make sense, but you know, it is what it is. Moving on. All right, so up next, is there anything else in here? Okay, there's 2 more things. So I had to restock on my Holy Grail concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way. I got mine in the shade Almond. They didn't have Snow, and Almond is the second shade that I use, so I actually ordered Snow online. I actually came home and placed a Sephora order online because there were some things that I forgot to get. I will explain to you guys what I got at the end of this video, but yeah, I just restocked on this. My go-to Holy Grail concealer, cannot live without it. And then I picked up the Viktor & Rolf Good Fortune Eau de Parfum Travel Spray. I have the full size of this, but I am going away in 2 weeks and I needed a good travel perfume, and I really like how this smells, and they didn't have the Prada one in store, which is the one I really, really wanted. So I just purchased this one because it smells good and it lasts a long time, and I don't like to travel with big perfumes. Like, I have a bunch of perfumes, and realistically I could just travel with one of them, but I like having a travel one. It just makes things cleaner, easier, you know what I mean? Alrighty guys, moving on to this guy. This guy has a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this on the floor and kind of like dip down and pick through. So the first thing I picked up was the Sephora 71 brush. This is the Pro Concealer brush. This is a box that it comes in. It's like one of those kitten paw brushes that everybody talks about. I just did a TikTok on it. By the way, you guys, if you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? You need to be following me on TikTok and Instagram because I post a lot on both. But yeah, I actually like it. I like that you can get like right in here. I wouldn't necessarily use it on its own. I think it does a good job of dispersing the product, but I do think I like blending it out with my beauty blender better because I did go ahead and just smooth out the edges with my beauty blender. So I do like this for the idea of getting like in here and being a little bit more precise, but beauty blender till I die, okay? Then I picked up, oh my God, quick shout out to TATANISHAS. If you guys are not subscribed to her, first of all, what are you even doing with your life? She is the queen of literally the best eyeshadow like to ever known to man. She does these most intricate eye looks. When I just watch her videos, I'm like, I could never in my entire existence pull off what she is pulling off. Like, she is a queen. I will link her channel down below. She is amazing. But I was watching one of her videos maybe like a month or so ago, and she spoke about this setting spray. This is the Hourglass Soft Focus Setting Spray, and this is very expensive. You guys know Hourglass, they're very expensive, but she swears by it, so of course I gotta listen to my girl and purchase it. So this packaging is so cute and bougie, like she said. But yeah, so I actually use it today, and so far so good, no complaints over here. But make sure you go and follow my girl because she is literally one of the most talented people in the universe. She's amazing. Okay, so up next is another restock. This is my holy grail water. This is the Caudalie grape water. Caudalie, if you're watching this, you want to sponsor me, let me know, because I cannot say enough good things about this water. I cannot live without it. I don't care if you think it's fancy water, and even if it is just fancy, expensive water, I do not care. I love this, and I have been using it probably for like a year now, and I don't think I'll ever stop using it because it's so freaking amazing. I use it in the morning, I use it at night, I use it right before I put on my moisturizers, because your skin is like a sponge. I heard this reference once, I forgot from who it was, but it made so much sense. When a sponge is wet, it absorbs more. When your skin is wet, it's going to absorb your skincare like it's supposed to do. You know what I mean? So that's why I like to use this. It's so good, and it's literally such an experience. You kind of just spray it, and it just like refreshes and cools your face. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Another restock. This is, if you guys have been following me for years, I have not changed my toner in the longest time. This is the Belif Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner. You guys know what's up. I use this all the time. I am a dry skin girl. I'm not super dry, but I am on the drier side, and I love to have all the hydration I can get, and I love this. It's literally my favorite. Like I said, this is mostly skincare. There's maybe like 1 or 2 or 3 makeup products left, but for the most part, this is all skincare, all right? So the next thing is from Charlotte Tilbury. I just did a TikTok on this, and I'm gonna give you guys a spoiler alert. I'm returning it because I was not impressed, and this was $75. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. Okay, let me open this and show you guys how beautiful it looks, okay? Because it's honestly a gorgeous palette. It is so beautiful. I mean, are we kidding? This is gorgeous. I may give it another shot, honestly, just because of how frigging pretty it is, and this mirror is literally everything. But I used this blush today, right? I used it. Can you see it? Because I don't see it. Literally, it was the hardest blush to build up, and I have my Juvia's Place blushes. I have my Make Beauty blushes that are so much less expensive than this frigging palette, and they work so much better. So I was really not impressed with it. Let me actually swatch this highlight. I mean, the highlight's cute, but you guys, $75, this is a hard pass for me. This is going back so fast, you don't even understand. Like I said, I have no shame in my game. It's going on the side because it's getting returned, okay? Up next, this is actually a restock for me because my sister, I've said it before, she purchased this kit for me for my birthday, and I fell in love with everything in here. This is from Farmacy. This is their Healthy Skin Starter Kit. So in here you get their, what is this called? Oh, their cleansing balm. You get the Deep Sweep BHA Pore Cleaning Toner, which I love. You get some honey, what is this? The Honeymoon Glow Serum. It's an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I was like, what is this called? I know it's called something else. And then my favorite part of this entire kit is this. This is the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. If you guys are dry, let me tell you, I spoke about it in my favorites video. My nose is so itchy right now. Oh, okay, I spoke about it in my favorites video, and you guys, it is my go-to like super hydrating moisturizer. It is so freaking good. I literally cannot get enough of it. And this kit is $40 and you get 20% off, and you get all of this, you guys. I got this in August and I'm still not out of it, but I'm almost out of it. And this one I finished because this is super small, but all 3 of these I'm still pretty good on. I just wanted to restock so that when I do run out, I won't be like without it for too long, because I know myself, I procrastinate and take forever to repurchase things. So I had to pick this up while it was on sale. I'm talking a lot. I apologize, you guys. Up next is another product from Youth to the People. This is their Facial Your Way. So you get a full size of the Hydrate and Glow, what is this called? The Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Then you get the Energy Facial, which is smooth skin in 2 minutes, and then you get a Power Mask, which is a instant pore detox. So you get all 3 of these for $52 with 20% off. I've never tried any of these before, so I'm really excited to test them out to see. And I love buying kits like this, you guys. I am such a kit queen. I'm such a kit queen because I love getting things in kits, because it gives you the opportunity to try out multiple products without having to necessarily break the bank. So I 10 out of 10 recommend kits, and especially for Christmas gifts, you guys. Oh my god, kits are the way to go for sure. This next purchase was really impulsive of me. Like, I really have no I really didn't want it. I was just walking to Sephora and was like, oh, let me buy this for no reason. This is from Givnechy. You already know it's about to be expensive. This is their prisme-libre Skin Caring Glow Foundation. Is this a foundation? It is a foundation. Yeah, Skin Caring Glow Foundation. I was like, oh my god, I just did a whole review on this on TikTok about it being a foundation. If it's not a foundation, I'm gonna look like a freaking idiot. No, it is a foundation. Okay, so yeah, it is a foundation. I am wearing it on my skin right now. I don't know if you guys can really tell. You're gonna have to watch my TikTok to know my thoughts on this. So, like I said, make sure you follow me on TikTok, all right? Then, okay, so I have two last things, right? That's everything. Yeah, that's everything. So I have two more things. This is another Youth to the People. Obviously, I had like an extreme love affair with them. This is that green kale cleanser that everybody talks about. I used to use this back in the day, but I have not used it in so long. And for some reason, I was just like, oh, did I buy the full size? No, I don't think so. But yeah, for some reason, I was like, let me try this again. I know everybody loves it, so picked it up. And then, like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I am traveling in 2 weeks and I need travel skincare. So I love this time of year because Belif comes out with these little kits. Again, kits are my favorite, you guys. So in here, you get, what do you get? The True Cream Aqua Balm. You get the Aqua Balm Toner, you get the Moisturizing Eye Balm, you get the Cleanser, and then you get the True Cream Sunscreen. So like I said, I love this little bag that it comes with. I love the toner, and since I'm traveling, I definitely need to bring a travel toner because I don't want to bring the full size with me. And then I've never tried their sunscreen before. I'm so excited. Look at how teeny weeny this is. This is so freaking cute. But like I said, you guys, kits are the way to go, and this is the time of year to buy kits because if you're going to be traveling in the near future or after the holidays, you definitely want to pick up a little kit because they're not always around. So I 10 out of 10 recommend these little ones from Belif. I pretty much will use everything in here except for the cleanser. I'm like 50-50 on the cleanser. I've used it before when I've traveled, and I'm like, whatever about it. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I ordered on the Sephora app since I'm not gonna do another Sephora haul on here. It's only like 5 things. But I picked up the Tarte C Pack Your Bag Under Eye Patches because my boyfriend's sister is getting married in 2 weeks. And I already know that I'm gonna need under eye patches. She's gonna need under eye patches. Maybe some of her friends are gonna need them. So I need to come prepared to supply the under eye patches for these like under eyes. I always use them whenever I'm going out. So I know that somebody is going to need them, especially me. So picked those up, and then I restocked on my Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner. If you guys don't know, it is probably one of the best liquid liners out there. If you need a good, easy to use liquid liner, check that one out. Then I picked up the Inky List Salicylic Acid Cleanser. It's one of my favorite cleansers ever, so picked that up. Then I got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Travel Kit, because again, for the 100th time, I'm traveling in 2 weeks, so I need shampoo, conditioner, the whole nine. Then, honestly, I don't know why I did this, because I bought this, right? So I went into Sephora, okay, with the intention, with the intention on buying the travel size of this perfume. I really like this perfume. I got a lot of feedback on my other video that people don't like it, that it didn't wear well with them, but I personally really like it and I wanted the travel size of it, but they didn't have it. So I bought the Victor and Rolf one, and when I placed the Sephora order, I forgot that I bought this one. So I placed it and ordered the Prada one too, like a freaking idiot. But I mean, at least I'll have two. I'll be able to like switch up my scent during the trip, right? I feel like I got through that haul so freaking quick. I really didn't expect myself to go through that haul so quick. But yeah, so that's everything I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale. I don't think I'll be picking up or spending a lot of money again during the sale. This was like my big one-time splurge, and that'll really be it. Maybe I'll pick up like an item or two here and there, but nothing really crazy. But other than that, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys are purchasing during the sale. Let me know if you guys are buying anything. If you're not buying anything, let me know everything like in the comments, all right? As always, I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!